Innovation has always run deep at LightRiver, right from day one.
17 years since we founded LightRiver, the products and the technologies have certainly changed, from Sonnet to DWDM to ROADM to packet optical to Ethernet and MPLS, but the mission and vision of LightRiver has never changed. And that has always been to help our customers build world-class transport networks.
From how we recruit and train employees to how we design, build, and support our customers' networks. We make sure all of our engineers get hands-on field experience with building networks before we ever let them design those networks. We have a zealous passion for cleanliness and testing and results analysis because the new technologies demand we do so. Our customers count on us to be experts and help them build the best and most reliable state-of-the-art networks, and we take that to heart. Based on our commitment and focus, we have become an extension of our customers' engineering and operations teams.
Over the history of LightRiver, we've successfully designed and deployed thousands of transport nodes. Our customers have ranged from E911 networks to statewide carrier cell-site backhaul networks to statewide grid protection networks, carrier transport networks, next generation 100G Raman DWDM networks. And we've also deployed metro rail networks that control not only the communications for those rail systems, but also things such as fare collection, video security, and train controls. A factory-built network is exactly what it sounds like. It's a network that's built from the ground up here in our facility. It's an innovation whose time has come and is long overdue. It allows us to build a higher quality network faster and provide the customer more access to that network, more ability to do complete end-to-end testing.
One of the drivers behind the factory-built network concept that we've been watching for quite a while is this increase in the speed of technology change and of change in the actual marketplace itself.
With FBN, we remove the technology risk almost completely by proving that the network works reliably and predictably in their actual environment and with their actual applications. Business leaders in all of our market sectors are faced with similar challenges and priorities. They've got to balance risk with cost, a changing regulatory environment, and ever more dynamic needs to aggressively grow their networks and their capabilities.
We've also invested and built one of the finest transport multi-vendor, multi-technology labs to be found anywhere.
When you can leverage those assets in an environment like ours with a multi-vendor lab and a full-time, full-blown factory to build a new network, you can make sure you support the legacy customers as well as develop a network that's dynamic, ever-increasing, higher capacity for the future.
In a factory setting, we can do far more tests. We can do tests that are longer in duration, and probably most importantly, we can do tests that are far more complex.
A place where we can help bring their network in, reproduce their operational conditions, give them a chance to actually come in and play on a network that is very similar, if not almost identical to what they would see in their production environment.
Quality can be monitored every step of the way, and once the network is built in the factory, 100% quality checks can be run. Factory-built networks can be built in half the time of traditional build methods. And the reason for this is twofold. First, in the factory, basic installation tasks like inventorying of materials, slotting of cards, running of fiber jumpers, labeling, all can be done far more efficiently.
Other opportunities in this whole process of factory-built networks is the quality aspect. Quality before the equipment is delivered to the customer, verified and checked and rechecked before shipment.
In short, it just lowers their risk and increases their comfort level with the technology, making for a seamless implementation.
It's a process of taking the equipment out of the specialized shipping container, racking it, bringing in the line side fiber, the power, and then doing final system acceptance testing. And that brings real value to customers because no longer is their work environment disrupted or the need for escorts extended.